Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with the Final Days of Summer collaboration kit. I created this file folder envelope journal and also put in all the challenges. We have 3 challenges. The first week challenge was creating an ephemera suitcase holder. The second week was creating a little notebook, photo book, a travel journal book. Sorry, I thought maybe I could show you, that's easier. This was the challenge for week 1. And we made this with the freebies. All the challenges are made with the basis from the freebies. And the second week challenge was creating like this little travel booklet. I have another one that is like so. And the freebies can be found in LineDotArrow Facebook group. And the freebies you can find over there during the final days of summer is from LineDotArrow, but also from Suzanne from Non-Stop Papercrafts. We did a collaboration kit together. She has a part in her shop, the final days of summer, and I have, and in total we have 32 pages, 16 full color and also in sepia. And besides that, she has also freebies. I have freebies, and Haystack Crafty Corner and Sweet Pea Papers are joining in with all the challenges, and we provided some freebies over there too. The ones from Haystack you can only find in Haystack Crafty Corner, and the ones we created for Sweet Pea Papers you can only find in Sweet Pea Papers. So I believe, I didn't count yet, maybe I should count, but I think you have a full-size kit when you have all the freebies. So that's a lot to play with. And I have several videos on making this file folder flip envelope journal. I started off with this, and I have to say this was a very long process, but I do like the result. These are the challenges I put in. I also created a little like traveler's notebook in here, and you can take it out. Well, you can actually take every page out single if you want. I think I did this off camera. Yeah, I did. I created a pocket over here and a tuck spot, and this is a tuck spot, and oh, this is the other booklet I told you about. Also have a video on how I made this. And here is a tuck spot 2. So it holds the little booklet, but also has a tuck spot. And this one has a tuck spot too. I'm not sure if I showed you already. I didn't ink this one. I don't know why. I think I forgot. Let me quickly do that. Of course, it needs to be inked. It's also a very white ticket. Maybe I need to just age it a little. So, okay, now it's done. This pops in here. The only thing I need to do, well, there's actually several things I wanted to do. Maybe put some decoration on here, and I did want to add like pockets in here, but to be honest, there's already so much in, and if I'm going to do that, then yeah, if you want to add more things, there's no room. So I think I leave it like this, but I also checked to see, I think that is fun. So if you go out on your travel and you can't bring everything with you, you can, but you have to stitch this of course, but you can fit this into the envelope. Keeps it all together. So this is a fun journal too. You can also create something like this. Yeah, a fun project. It's a rather big project. I wanted to do something simple, like working on some decorated envelopes, and well, there you have it. I have a full-size file folder thing going on. I'm not sure if I showed you the last time, but I also put on the spine, and the elastic binding is underneath, and on the inside you only see the eyelets over here. So I'm going to leave this as it is, maybe put some decoration on here. I also have this, it's rather plain. Maybe I want to put some decoration on there too, but when I have all that done and also put things on the hinges over here, I think I'm done. I'm pretty sure I am. I have selected these and I want to put them on like so. Something pink. And that way you have them over here, but you can still write on the back. And I want to also put some on here. Yeah, something like this. But I need to ink all the pieces and put eyelets in. And I think I will do the inking off camera. And then I'm going to put them on the hinges, and then you can see, because I also still not certain if I want to cut the hinges so it can flap separate, you know what I mean, or in half, so you have one side over there and the other side can go over there. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, first let me do the inking and then we decide how we are going to put them on. So I inked all the tags and cards, put the eyelets in. Also want to add tag toppers. And I'm going to use the fabric that I use throughout the whole journal. So it keeps coming back. And I was inspired by using this fabric because Suzanne had the blue floral print on her suitcase. And then I added fabric on the inside of that suitcase. Because, well, this fabric actually, because I thought, well, it looks kind of similar. And I kept it going throughout the whole journal. And while I was inking, I decided not to cut the hinges. So I'm going to keep them as one piece. So I have two large hinges. If the new owner in the future does want to cut the hinges, they can easily do that. It's not a problem at all. But I think it's better not to cut it. I am going to add also the fabric onto the hinges. So you have like the blue floral also on the hinges, and then I can glue on the pieces. And then we are basically done. But when I was inking, I also thought maybe I should add a few pockets to the Traveler's Notebook Journal, the one that is in the elastic binding, because they belong there. I think they need to be there. But yeah, I had a lot of fun playing with all the papers. I hope you enjoyed it too. I've seen so many posts with it's so many different things. It always amazes me that people can work with the exact same papers, but still things do look different, and I think that is amazing. So thank you all for joining in. Suzanne and I really appreciate that you joined in with all the challenges and post in all the Facebook groups. Yeah, really is a lot of fun. Okay, what I also think now is, because I had the initial plan was to put a strip over here and put on the tags. Would be something like this. Then I would glue on the tags. That is actually very cute. But I also, because I have these, and these look like hinges, so I thought, can I put them on like so? Is that fun too? I think it is. How many do I need? Because I need to glue on the front and on the back. So I need 16, I think. Yeah, 16 of these. So we're going to put all the fabric hinges on the hinges. This is actually a very wide one, a large one. Okay, this is going to be fun. Let me first lay out all the stuff that I want to glue on. Not sure if I have it the exact same as I had it before I did the inking, but that's okay. Maybe. I need to glue this. Not glue down properly. Let me see. I have this, or maybe I can put this in the middle. This over here. This over here. This one over here. Then this one like so. This one like so. Something like this. Okay, let's start off with this one. going to glue it on here. I need a small hinge. Okay, this is fun. Okay. Can we still turn it? Yes, we can. Going to glue this one on. Like so. Small one on here. Small one on here too. It's going to be a little bit bigger. Yeah. And maybe this one over there. Okay, I said I wanted to put the seam hinges at the back of each card or tag, but now that I see it, maybe I can put a strip of fabric in between. Or do you like the hinges? Let me check how that looks. I think I'm going to do the hinges. I like the effect. Yeah, for sure. There's a lot of fraying going on, and it all sticks to my fingers because of the glue. Okay, I think I need a smaller one. I'm going to glue all the other pieces on the back side of this too, and then you will see me back. So I glue down all the fabrics over here too. Oh, this one needs a little bit of glue. Yeah. And there's some fraying going on, but I don't mind. I like that. So now we have this. Oh, this is cute. And what I mean by separating the hinges is... Sorry, I was interrupted. But what I mean by separating the hinges, if you cut these in, and these, and these, they all flap individually, not in a set of 4. But I'm going to leave it like this for now. And you can write on the back, and on this one too, you can also write like so. That's an option too. And I really like this. Yeah, I'm happy. I also said I was going to put something in here. And I think I'm going to stitch it together at the end. I have a pocket that I want to put in. This pocket was backed with sturdier paper, but it's too bulky to put in the traveler's notebook journal. So I ripped off the packaging, the paper that was making it more sturdy. So okay, I can glue this together. I want to add it over here. Okay. I'll put these in here. I'm going to glue those together. And okay, this one, I don't think it will fit in here. Maybe it does. And I also have this one, but I'm not sure if the pocket is wide enough to put in the large tag. I don't know. And this is also backed. I'm going to rip it off because it makes it more bulky. I'm pretty sure the large tag is not going to fit in here. Oh, I forgot to ink. Let me quickly do some inking. Put this on here. Still not certain if I'm going to put more in. Put this one in. Yeah. If I cut off a little piece from the sides, the large ticket or tag, sorry, will fit. So I cut off a little bit from the sides. Oh, I need to cut off a little bit more over here because it's not the same. We have a fire alert over here. Apparently there's a big fire going on. It's not in a house, but in an industrial area, but still. And I just checked to see what the situation was and where it was, because we had to close all the windows and stay indoors because of the smoke, because it's windy today, so the smoke will travel through the air, of course. But I checked to see where the fire was, and I saw it was at an industrial area where I used to work a long time ago. But I also saw that there are like 6 ambulances already, and the fire departments from surrounded areas, so places laying next to Hellevoetsluis, they are called up, or I don't know how to say that, but they are also trying to get out the fire. So there are multiple fire trucks at work at the moment. So it's a rather huge fire, and I just hope that no one is seriously hurt or even died. So yeah, that did get me a little bit distracted. My family is safe, so I know they are okay, because my son is in the house and my husband is not here. He's coming back from work now, so he just called and I told him. Yeah, I don't know, I always get a little bit nervous when things like these happen. I always think about people getting hurt and maybe not come home anymore. I don't like this. So yeah, I'm distracted because of that. But I'm going to try and finish this video. And I'm just hoping everybody will be okay. Nothing serious going on, because that's not funny at all. But maybe it's the age, because I tend to get more worried when things like these happen. It makes you think about how vulnerable you are, and how sudden life can end for you. So yeah, but yeah, this is this is turning into a rather depressive video, and I didn't want to do that, but I wanted to explain why I was a little bit distracted, because it's very difficult for me to concentrate now on crafting, to be honest. Do I want to add fabric on the booklet? I think I do. And I'm not going to over decorate anything on here, because yeah, there's so much going on already, and I really like this. Okay, maybe I glued a little bit too much. Yeah, a tiny bit too much, but it's okay. I'm not going to put more items in, because I don't want to make it too bulky. I am thinking, should I or should I not put on tabs on the outside and even do a little bit of sewing? Yeah, maybe I do. So I have punched 2 tabs. put one on the front cover, and I also want to put one on the back cover. Not sure if I want it at the exact same spot. I don't think I do. A little bit lower maybe. Yeah, so we have that. Do I want to put something on as an embellishment? I also need to put things over here, but I thought just putting on some of the strips. Like so. But this is a totally different journal than I usually make. Usually I have like colors, the same colors, but this is all colors, of course. Very summery and very bright and floral, but they do match. Different patterns, and yeah, it does make me happy. And what I didn't use at all in this journal is lace. And I usually use a lot of lace because I'm a lace layer. But I didn't use that in this one. So that's new. Do I want to add a strip over here too? I don't know. Maybe over the... I want to sew around the border, but I also need to see if I can add like one of the labels, if I still have labels left, because I have a lot of things left that I didn't use at all. Not sure what I can put on. I have luggage, I have this, and I have this. Also the butterfly, and also these. These look cute together too. I have luggage. I believe this is from a totally different kit. Oh, and I also have these. And some tags. I have this. So many things. This is a huge kit. I think you can actually make 2 journals out of the whole set of papers, including the freebies, maybe 3, because there is a lot. This is cute. I'm thinking, what if we just put this on here? Do not disturb. Or over here? Nope, on here. Okay. this on the little journal. Over here. Where do I want it? Over here. So this can go over here. Where is I know I have a long, yeah, this one. Going to put this over here. Oh, I also had these. I thought about putting those over here. I don't know. Maybe this one, maybe. I do like the circle, but I don't like it over there. On here. What else can we put on? I really like this card. I'm going to put it in here. Oh, I'm also going to put this in here. Yeah. What can I put over here? Shall I just add a tag? Or one of these? I think I'm going for the small ticket. How am I going to put it? Like so. No, I think it's enough. I'm going to sew around this, I said, and I will, but I'm going to do that off camera. Does this fit? No. Maybe I can squeeze this in over here, because I really like the postcard. I'm going to sew off camera, and then I'm going to bind this, and then I'm going to put it underneath the elastic, and then it's there. Still debating if I'm going to put a tag over here too. I am, because it needs a tag. But I was wondering if I could show you how to stitch this in with by hand with a needle and thread. But maybe I should show you in another video. I think this needs to go over here. Just going to glue it down. On like so. Oh, I also need to glue this piece on, of course. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to sew off camera, and the next time when I do the flip through, you will see the result. And I will put some little bits and bobs into the suitcase that is in there. And I believe I still have to put something in here. Oh, I did put something in here. But I don't think it's inked or anything. No. I'm going to do quick ink. But it's hard to see through the window. But it's there. And I also wanted to put some beads on here. I said, but I don't know. Maybe it's too much. I think I'm going to leave it like this. Yeah. Oh, I had the postcard. I'm going to sew around the postcard too. And the postcard is going to be in here. I'm going to clip it on the inside. So now I'm actually done. I'm going to put it on like so. So yeah, this is it for today. The next time you will see me do a flip through, and as you can see, it's already starting to get really bulky. It still can close, which is a good thing. Still in hole number 3, so you have still room to grow a little. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you like it a lot, maybe you want to be a subscriber to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos or start new challenges or show you a new kit with new challenges. Visit the Facebook group LineDotArrow. Also check out Haystack Crafty Corner Sweet Pea Papers, and also go to Suzanne's channel and her Ko-fi page. She has freebies over there too. And also make sure you check all the collaborators that are joining in this month. There are all links down below because they are making pretty things. Some are a little bit later to the party, but that doesn't matter. And some started earlier, some have multiple videos, some have just 1 or 2. That's okay. It is all a lot of fun to see, and you can learn so much from that, and you can be inspired also. So check them out, please. Yeah, this is finally it for today. Thank you for watching. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye. Bye.